All right, we're done for the rest of the day because it started raining. Here's what we got done. We got our 2 posts here that carry this load through here. We got our post in, got a knee wall in to pick up this wall right here. We got to put a wall in right here, but we got to see this LVL right there. For that to meet up over here, we got to build another support for right here to carry the load from that one over here, so it's sitting up level with this one. We did all right though this week. We got a good bit done. Got half the floor in. It's turning out real nice though. Real nice. I'll tell you what, this thing ain't going nowhere. Ain't going nowhere. It looks good. But I'm glad it's the weekend. It's been a long week. Mud, tired of playing in the mud. I've had enough of it. We just got that one done. I mean, it's all level, square, sitting just right. But everything's good. Looks good. Next week, hopefully we can get the walls all set the whole way around this place and get it all tied in together. But I think it looks good so far. But this one's gonna be short and sweet too. I just been so busy, I just ain't had time to really do any filming, but I figured I'd get something, throw something up. So let me know in the comments. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think so far. So it looks good. Comment, like, that would be cool. Subscribe even. Hit that the red button that says subscribe. It's free. Doesn't cost anything. Have a good weekend. Everyone be safe. And stay warm later on. Alright. Here's what we got this morning. It's chilly out this morning, but we're good. We are getting our posts ready to start banging out this back half of the house. We're getting our posts put in. We got to put a couple more LVLs in. And we're going to do something a little bit different over here, I believe. I'm going to have to wait until they get back. Sorry about the noise. At least everything's froze. It'll be easy to get around. But, yeah. I'll be back with something else here later. Here's what we got so far. We got these set in. We got half the floor, a little bit, about a quarter in. Start putting our sheathing on the front wall. We're gonna do 2 rows today. It's not bad. I'll take it back outside, out back, so you can see it. Turned out good. Massive walls. It's gonna look good when it gets done. We did all right past couple days. That's good. Turned out real good. We got a couple more posts to put up back here, and then we can put our LVLs in back here, and then we can start setting our walls back here, get our floor joists in, It's gonna look good when it gets done. It's gonna be sturdy. This thing will go through a hurricane and it won't move. It is gonna be sturdy. I got some footage from the other day I'm gonna put in with this. Be a short and sweet video, but I just wanted to show what we got done so far. It looks good. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Yeah. So, everyone have a good rest of their week. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Let me know what you think. So, not too bad out today. At least the sun's shining. Alrighty then. Well, that's it. That's all I got for today. I'll be back tomorrow with something else. I'll get this up first thing tomorrow morning, which will be Friday morning. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Later.